Hey y'all. Woo. Yay. Today I have pepperoni pizza from Papa John's. Yeah, everybody gives Papa John's crap, but I like Papa. Yeah, he's not a very nice guy though. I forget what the deal was. Something about his employees. Something, maybe he's not paying his employees right, or something about his employees. Y'all comment below if y'all know what's the deal with Papa. But yeah, also yeah, some folks said some stuff about they had some issues with him not getting their orders right or something like that, but I haven't had an issue with Papa in a while, so I just wanted to have some Papa John's. I'd been craving it, but I got me a pepperoni pizza with their new garlic Parmesan crust. I wanted to give that a try, and I got their buttery garlic sauce, which I really enjoy. And I love their little pepperoncini peppers. And I got some barbecue chicken wings. I don't know if y'all can see those over here. And I might have to destroy this box here. So I can see these wings a little bit better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I'm covering up my napkins. Alrighty, y'all. I'm trying out my new camera. It's got a microphone mounted on the top. I did a little test run, and from what I could tell, the microphone seemed to be working okay, so y'all let me know. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Let me open up my garlic sauce. I didn't get any extra sauce for me for my barbecue wings. They typically sauce them enough for me. But I really like my... The cat's gonna be bad. She's a bad kitty. She's a bad kitty, bad kitty. She wanna beg for her treats. I'm always about to get sauce on me. Let me get into this pizza. Lordy, lordy. Oh, mama. I love a good pepperoni pizza. Oh. Oh, yes. Let me taste this crust. Garlic Parmesan. Not too bad. I got extra sauce and extra cheese. Because that's the way we do here. I like it saucy. Oh, yes. It's been a minute since I did Papa John's. I dribble on my shirt. Dang it. Dang it. And I find a clean spot. Well, barbecue sauce everywhere. My hair's starting to get so long again. I want to put it up and get it out of my way. So I just watched the most recent episode of Castle Rock today. This season's pretty interesting. I'm really digging it. For anybody that's watched the movie Stephen King or read the Stephen King book Misery, with the, I guess you'd call her the antagonist, Annie Wilkes. She's in this season of Castle Rock. I don't want to give it away, but they're weaving a very interesting backstory about her. It's really cool. I would suggest paying it a watch. Kind of wondering who the first season was about. I'm not really familiar with the characters of the first season. Maybe I missed that book. I've read a lot of Stephen King, but that one wasn't very familiar. It was a good story, don't get me wrong, though, but and I think I've got 2 episodes of his Dark Materials to watch. It's kind of a I don't know what the name of the book series it's based on, but there was a movie called The Golden Compass. And like the first, I don't know if it's going to be the first season or the first several episodes that are like backtracking on that movie. But yeah, so that's what his Dark Materials is about. But yeah, it's really hard to explain, but just kind of wiki it or Google it or whatever. But it's kind of interesting. It involves alternate universes and realities and whatnot. And it's kind of based in a universe where humans' souls are on the outside of their bodies, and their souls are animals, and they call them demons, which is weird, you know. I thought it was weird. But they're cute little, well, they could be big and scary animals, but but there's a lot of children. It's really kind of a young adult to children's story. So the main characters are children, so their little demons are little cute little animals mostly. I was really kind of digging it. I haven't been playing WoW the last few days. I don't know why. I haven't really lost interest. I've just been preoccupied with other things. I don't know if I've just not been feeling well. I don't know. I'll get back into it. If nothing else, my characters are getting plenty of rest. You get double experience when you play blue. I'm scared of this one. It's gonna squirt me juice. I love those peppers. Man, I think everybody in this house has come down with a little bit of a cold. Sniffling and snorting, coughing, and of course Susan, she just went to urgent care today and got checked out. And even Tommy's coughing more than usual. But it's going around. Yep. It's that time of year, I guess. Everybody's getting sick. How are all y'all doing? Are y'all fighting the flu this year? Have y'all got your flu shots? I probably need to get one of those. I haven't had one in a while. I'm not sure when I'm going to see my doctor again, probably in a few weeks. I might ask him to give me a flu shot this year. Stop. Okay. Excuse me. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Wings. Mm. And we're still watching Lucifer. We're almost done with season 3. Well, we're a little over halfway through season 3. And we still have season 4 to go. And I just found out they're going to do a season 5. And that's going to be the final season. Still working our way through The Masked Singer. We should probably watch season 2, episode 7 again, because we kind of slept through that one. It's a good show. I like it. I was really confused, though, because I had started kind of watching a few singers on YouTube, and I didn't realize that The Masked Singer is also in Germany. I was like, okay. Once I figured it out, and I was like, okay, that's why there's all these other performers, like the Angel and stuff like that, because it was a German show. I was like, oh, I see. And I was really confused. I thought there were all these other seasons, and there wasn't. Well, so far I'm fairly pleased with Papa John's. I mean, if there are ethical reasons that I shouldn't eat Papa John's, maybe, let me know in the comments, and I'll consider not ordering from them again. But, because there's other pizza chains that I prefer, actually. I really like Pizza Hut. I'd like to try Little Caesars. I haven't had Little Caesars for many, many years. I don't know, my friend Nick Avocado really loves Little Caesars. And I really like Domino's. I like Domino's Crust. I wasn't super impressed by the garlic parm crust. It was okay, but I like Domino's little crust selections better. Well, Pizza Hut has crust selections that are really tasty. I don't know, to be honest, I think one of the main reasons I wanted to do a Papa John's video again is because I got a Papa John's video age restricted for some weird reason. It's like I wasn't doing anything different than I'm doing right here, and it was age restricted. I mean, like, why? I'm just eating, y'all. I mean, it's not made for children. I mean, okay. But, it was really confusing. I don't know. People are weird. I don't know. I have a couple of age-restricted videos. I'm gonna peel that. And even when videos get like demonetized, I don't have very many of them demonetized. I know a lot of people get that happening to their channels. But yeah, why don't you just go and appeal that? I mean, and then an actual person will go and look at it and make a live person decision, and they'll reverse that. And it's like, and you'll get an actual note from YouTube saying, you know, it's okay for advertisers, and that's no problem. I don't know. And people just, they take it personal, and they're like, oh no, I'm demonetized. Oh well. You don't have to take that lying down. And it's like, this is just eating food, y'all. There's nothing wrong with us. We're just sitting down and having a nice dinner together. Like, some people find this very comforting. I know I find it comforting. And I know a lot of people find it comforting. And the people that don't, I don't know why y'all watch. I'll never understand that. Why waste your time? I don't know. Humans are strange. I'm gonna eat these last two little wings and then call it a day, I think. Trying to see what's going on with my battery. I can't tell. I think it's getting close to being over and done with, though. I'm actually kind of full. I don't really want this. So I might call it a day right now. Okay. I'll eat that in a little while, though. I don't want my camera to cut out on me. That's my main issue here. It's a new camera, so I don't want to freaking out. Okay, you guys. I want to thank you so much for joining me. And, I will see you next time. Bye now.